Some things in life are just made to go together. Peanut butter and jelly, rock and roll, the sun and the moon. These things got Blake Sanders, the owner of KS Services, thinking, what can we pair with our superior heating and air service to make our customers even happier? Plumbing Experts by KS Services was born. So the next time you have a clogged line, leaky faucet, or water running all through the house, know there's a reputable company out there on call just a click away. Call KS.com, your trusted source for heating and cooling and now plumbing.
Good morning, this is the Weather Xtreme video for Saturday, May the 4th, 2019. I'm meteorologist Scott Martin. We have the potential for strong to severe storms later today, but dry weather returns tomorrow and continues through the beginning of the work week. Unsettled weather returns on Wednesday and will stay that way for a while. We'll get to that in just a moment. As of 6:45 this morning, we have a mass of showers and thunderstorms moving over the northern half of the area and up into North Alabama. While we are seeing moderate to heavy rainfall and plenty of lightning on the leading parts of the cluster, none of this activity is strong or severe. These are moving to the north-northeast at around 30 miles per hour. We'll have to see if this rain-cooled air will keep the air a little more stable and reduce the risk of strong to severe storms later today. We'll have to wait and see. Temperatures are currently in the 60s to just at the 70-degree mark across the area from north to south. Birmingham was at 68 degrees, while the cool spot was Haleyville at 63 degrees. Several locations were tied at 70 degrees as the warm spots. We do not have any active watches or warnings across the area at this point, but that may be a different story as we make it into the afternoon and evening hours today. Speaking of later today, here is what we are expecting. The Storm Prediction Center continues a slight risk of severe storms for all locations south of a line from Reform to Smoke Rise to just south of Fort Payne. Nearly the rest of the northern parts of the state are in the marginal risk, with the exception of the extreme northwestern corner. The main threat will be from damaging thunderstorm wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour, with a smaller threat of quarter-size hail. The threat of tornadoes is not expected as the winds will be unidirectional in nature. The main window for stronger to severe storms will be from around 1 p.m. this afternoon until around 10 p.m. tonight from west to east. Timing will be from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. in the western third of the area, 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. in the central third, and 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. in the eastern third. A surface low will be moving up from southeastern Louisiana into and across the southern parts of central Alabama that will bring the main concentration of rain and thunderstorms that will contain much of the threat of stronger to severe storms that will enter the western parts of central Alabama by the mid-afternoon hours. But we do have the possibility of individual cells developing out ahead of that could become strong as well. The chance of stronger to severe storms will be a little higher over the extreme southern parts of the area along and south of the US 80 and I-85 corridors, but the potential is there for all of central Alabama. Much of the activity will be out of the state by midnight tonight, but a few lingering showers and storms will be possible on the backside of the low. Afternoon highs will be in the mid-70s to the lower 80s, with lows in the lower to mid-60s. Rainfall amounts will be around 1 inch or less. We'll start off the day on Sunday with a few lingering showers in the eastern parts of central Alabama, but we should be rain-free by the evening. Skies will be clearing throughout the late morning through the afternoon hours, becoming clear by the late night hours. Highs will be in the upper 70s to the lower 80s. On Monday, we return to the warm conditions that we have been seeing over the past week. There will be plenty of sunshine with highs topping out in the mid to upper 80s. We'll stay dry again throughout the day on Tuesday, but another low will be forming back to our west over the Red River on the Texas-Oklahoma border, and will begin to move to the east-northeast. Skies will be sunny to start, but clouds will begin to move in during the afternoon and evening hours, with highs topping out in the upper 80s to the lower 90s across the area. At midday on Wednesday, that low will be over the extreme western parts of Kentucky and the southern parts of Illinois, which will be pulling moisture up from the Gulf of Mexico and across central Alabama. We'll have to watch this system as a few strong storms may be possible, but we'll have better details as we get closer. We'll have showers and thunderstorms possible throughout the entire day, with highs topping out in the lower to mid-80s. Unsettled weather continues on Thursday as a cold front will be off just to our west and northwest, keeping showers and thunderstorms possible across the area. Chances will be higher over the northern parts of the area. Once again, we'll have to watch for the potential for strong storms. Afternoon highs will be in the 80s across the area. The front moves closer on Friday but looks to become stationary just outside of Alabama, which will keep our weather unsettled not only on Friday but throughout the weekend as well. Showers and thunderstorms will be likely with the higher chances over the northern half of the area. Highs will be in the lower to mid 80s. Well, that will finish up the Weather Extreme video for today. We'll have updates throughout the day on the blog, becoming more frequent if a watch is issued. The next video will be out tomorrow morning, produced by Bill Murray. I'm meteorologist Scott Martin signing off for today. Have a great day and God bless.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.